a backflip to you.
You are?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Whoa.
You scare me to death.
Stop it, Peyton.
Bro, I almost fall. Now again. Just one more time.
Come on.
I did it. Let's do it again.
No, that's all.
Take a bow.
Don't write it, Nat. No.
Take a bow.
Take a bow.